So, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to generate an high resolution image for your professional app pictures. So you can use this for your LinkedIn profile as well as any other professional profile online. So in order to generate a resolution app picture with a professional touch, you can easily use AI, and one of those AI is ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first step is just to open your ChatGPT using your web browser. Then the second step is just to ensure you have a selfie or any other regular image which will be used as a reference image. So I have one selfie here which I've been able to get online, which is the selfie of Cristiano Ronaldo here. So after uploading that, the next thing is just to ensure we have a professional prompt which will ensure that our AI is able to understand to generate this image. So this prompt goes as follows. So using the attached image as an exact reference, then the main task is to generate a high resolution. So we need to take note of the keyword high resolution, and it must be professional as well, professional headshots. Then we want to ensure that we preserve our natural and facial features. So these facial features include the face shape, then the ear, the skin color, then the tone as well, and the expression also. And to ensure that it has a professional touch, we need to apply some studio quality to it. Then also we need to take notes. We need to have a very neutral background to ensure that the image is very professional. Then since we are making use of it for a professional picture, so we change the clothes to a formal professional wear to have a professional look. You just take notes of some of the errors here. Then also this. So these are prompts. So using the attached image as our as reference. So we need to generate an high resolution professional headshots that preserves our facial features. Then we apply a professional touch for the lighting and for the background. So let us see the outcome of this. So this is the outcome of our image. So we have this as our reference, and we're able to generate this. So let us take note of that. So we have this as our reference image, then we have this as our generated image. So we can really see the difference as well as the professional touch, and now we are able to preserve the facial features. So I hope you like this video. Kindly comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you some other time. And please do not forget the prompts. So it's very important to make sure the prompt is perfect in order for you to generate a perfect image.